Bayad nyo doon. Say bayad there. Bayad po.
Bayad po. Okay, and then you get one, ano pupusan yung bunot? Yan. Okay, one, ano yan, anim.
Oo,
6.
6 bunot.
Billy.
Magbunot ka, tulungan mo siya.
Billy, get one.
Ano number? Billy X. Just, ano number yan? 267. Asan 267?
Just one. No, don't
wala.
Anything. Here.
Ayan, meron! Ay, teka, 267. Ayan! Yay! Nakabunot si Just! Yay! Just, kunin mo ilagay mo yung number ninyo dito. 231! Wow!
Get the 3, okay? Paano kung ma-open to?
Open mo. Say, pulitin kay ano yung split mo siya.
Open it. 40.
Ay, siya yung
148.
140.
Let him do it.
Okay, go and find
148.
148. 148.
You find 148. You find it, Billy. You want to find it. What number?
148.
148 here.
There,
nothing.
nothing.
No, baby, no, nothing.
Huh?
Okay, here. Okay.
Ah, 31, 32. Nakakailan na si Billy, dali, pakuha mo siya.